Understanding split testing, a key to better decisions. Hello everyone. Today we're going to demystify a concept that's incredibly useful not just in business, but in any decision-making process: split testing. So, grab a notebook because you're about to learn how to make your projects even more successful. Split testing, also known as A/B testing, is a method to compare two versions of something to find out which one performs better. Imagine you have two versions of a web page. Version A is your current design, while version B is slightly different. By showing these versions to similar audiences at the same time, you can track which one achieves better results, be it more sales, clicks, or any other goal you have in mind. To start a split test, you'll need two versions of the item you're testing, A and B, a goal that you want to achieve, a way to measure the results. You'll show these versions to your audience, usually at random, and analyze the data to see which version meets your goal more effectively. It's a powerful tool for making decisions based on actual user behavior, rather than guesses or assumptions. Split testing is crucial because it helps to make decisions based on data, not hunches. It can lead to improvements in user experience, increased revenue, or higher engagement. In language learning, for instance, split testing can determine the most effective teaching methods or learning materials. When conducting a split test, keep these tips in mind. Test one change at a time to know exactly what influences the results. Make sure your sample size is big enough to be statistically significant. Run the test long enough to account for any variability in behavior. While split testing is powerful, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Don't make conclusions too early without enough data. Avoid testing too many things at once, which can confuse results. Be wary of external factors that could skew your data, like holidays or events. And that's split testing in a nutshell. We hope this video has shed light on how split testing can be a game changer in optimizing your projects. Remember, the key is in the data. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see how you'll use split testing to achieve your goals. See you in the next video.